I'm trying to take the hood lining off now. Look, working on the sunroof. These little caps on the, what are they called, sissy handles or whatever they're called. There's little clips. They just pop off. Where's it here? They've got like little clips here. So you just push these tabs very gently and they come loose. Now I'm gonna take a, get my finger out the way. And take a screwdriver and take them out. These little tabs seem to be glued on, so I'm not gonna bother with them now, but we'll see. I'll do further research. I don't know if I want to force it out. I want to see if they do come out. Actually, it looks, yeah, I think they're glued on. Doesn't feel like it's holding anything, so I'll do that the fall quick. Okay, so yeah, I've left those on. I've taken all 4 of them off. I've taken this off. This just pops off. That also just pops out. So a little bit of clips if you're gentle. This here to the lights for the visor when you open it. You open this. I don't know what this is called when you open it. I don't know if you can. There's like a clicking noise. It switches this on here. So the 2 screws came out here. Where is this now? There. 2 screws. Little Molex connector. I'm going to leave this in. Then these 2 came out. There was 2 little clips like lunged in, so you push this clip in and it opens up and then the screw comes out like that. See if we can get to this pillar here. I just don't know how to take this weather stripping off yet. I've already taken off that pillar. I think this is a T10 screw. Almost got this one out. Then I've got to go for the B pillar. That should be, they're really stuck in here. And then there was 2 and 3, and then this weather strip has to come off, but I'll show you just now how to do that. So if you lift this piece like this and then you take the other side and you pull them both together, it should let go, and then it just comes off. Because I thought this was glued on, but it's not. It's like any other weather stripping. Oh, there's wires in here. What is this? Down there. Oof. Sit back here now, and then I can just wiggle it out. Pops out. Yeah, look at this. I don't know what this thing is, because there's a clip at the end here that can break easy. Just slide. Okay, we've done that side. That's how it's all done. This side here, there are, where are they? There are 2 clips at the bottom here. I pulled it towards me with a little bit of force, quite a bit of force. Then for this top piece here, there's 2 clips that hold it in. It's like a little tab. I'll pull it out. I'll show you quick. So you kind of do this. See, so like this, and then you pull it. So pull it up. You pull it up and. So that's how I do it, and I've pulled it up, and I don't know if you can have a look here. See, it's come out quite a bit, the tab. So I'm just going to do that a little bit more, and then it pops out, and then it looks like, and in the end, this little tab here just pulls out like that. And I like to keep all my stuff together. I know everything for the pillars is in this bank bag here, screws and everything, because they seem to go missing quite easily when I do my stuff. And then all you do is you put some back. You put some pressure on the back here, and you pull it out, and very carefully you hear it go click. Same side, just a little bit, nudge it out. I need 2 hands for this. Boom, they're out. Then this piece here just kind of pulls down, and you see there's like little clips that go in here. Those little pieces. Oh. And that's that done. Now I can put the weather stripping on the back. On the front is I'm just doing the pillars today. I'm going to try the back one, but I'm the most afraid of you, because he apparently breaks quite easy. Should be it now. Should actually just put that other one back in here. Okay, let's see now. What else is holding it back? What is holding it? Ah, there's another screw here. I didn't see it. I need. Okay, 1 screw here. Now this thing should fall down. Yep. Not sure it is. Okay. You need a container. Oh crap. Make sure that goes in there. That's just in there, the wire. Okay. That's that. Oh, there we go. I just know that the back needs to be pushed out. So we've dropped the sunroof out, taking off the visor for the sunroof. I think that's what you call it. That one didn't come with one, so we're transferring it over, taking the screws off here, popping that out. It dropped down quite easy. It had 12 screws, and then it just popped out. So yeah, I'm taking this off now, and then putting another one, putting it on. A T10 bit for this side. Apparently, if you take these clips off, then it's not going. Oh, it's locked here because of the gear that got jammed. Apparently, this issue is a common problem on these cars. There. So that should go forward. Oh, there we go. So now these clips come out. They're not damaged. Wasn't it just not in properly? There's two little tabs that pop in there. 1, 2. There we go. Ah, okay. So they weren't broken all the time. It doesn't look as extruded as that one.
The 20?
T20. Yes. Go to the other side. How's that sound? Ninkis, what are you going to do about this? Do you see this? Yeah, this is BMW's problem. Oh, there we go.
Yay.
Doesn't look damaged. No. That little gear spins against this. See? And then that, yes, Ninkis, that's exactly what it does. Okay. That does go in this way.